Oh my god. Never seen this before. That's a weird local station here. It's just covered up. It used to have the Wear NeoLift touch buttons, which are practically the same, but you don't have the button, they're just touch. See if it closes. Yeah, it's another Atlas Schindler. Probably from before 2016. It has the other logo and the Atlas logo still. We replaced the indicator with this generic one. The other one had the indicator burnt out. Oh my god. Yeah, they're getting this in favor of the generics. It's in terrible condition. That's what I'd expect for a supermarket. Light here. I think it's operation. Here's the weird one that has the hand. And this one, I don't know what it is. It has, yeah, let's go up to one. Okay. Any chance that we might go up? Probably not. Yeah. Yeah. Have to do it like this. There it is for you. This is a generic one. See if this one goes up. No. Huh. It's different. Tennis because it's Greek and of course it has to look like Atlas. An Alfa, the balloon indicator.